I didn't mix it. Alright, what's up, YouTube? I was playing Heroes Online today. Touchdowns and Roblox. I'm never gonna put on. No, no. I didn't hate that. I like this. I actually like my friend. Why is he chasing me? Shut up! He's literally chasing me. Easy, you're getting killed. Ooh, you're getting caught. He was literally chasing me like he was stuck on me, like actually, like he was glued to me. Oh no, I'm about to die. He's popping me. Is the popper becoming the poppy? Wait. Haha, I got him. Fun punch uppercut. Wait, I'm about to call my mans. Got him. How did we fail? How did we How did we fail? Alright, you two. You already know we're doing this. Oh, I am. Make a mirror. Alright, the roleplay started. Oh my god. I'll be right back. Why are you knocking and go away from the door? I'm back. I'm NG9 on into this.
Look, I need to borrow a truck.
This is a roleplay. Next video probably won't be a roleplay, but. Yeah. Alright, wait. Wait, I'm gonna go up. I go up. Nice. Alright, I'm going back to my seat. Huh? Wait, can I be the teacher assistant? Can I be the teacher assistant? I thought you was a teacher. Let's be the teachers. No, you know. Okay, what do I do? Okay, do you guys all find me at once, or like? Okay, what do I do? What am I doing here now? Okay. Here's a move, I guess. Can you guys do that? I'm drawing. I have one for it. I don't have a cannon. That was the other dude. Y'all keep moving up too much. I'm over here trying to do my attacks, and every time I do it, he moves. Wow. Wait, I'm calling my mans. We all just called our mans at the same time. This is easy. He's almost dead already. Wait, are you staying up tonight? Are you staying up late tonight? I just got Celestial Blade, which is not really that good. Soldier Boy. Wait, okay, should I use a rare or a legendary? I know. Yeah, my legendary gives me 100. That one only gives me 40. Nobody. There's no weapons at these five. I have the best legendary. Sir, I'm the best level in this server. Ow, I just got whiplash. You got the number one song on the radio. Hey, you still got it sitting there? No. Okay, I'm gonna spin for a new sidekick. I got Todoroki. Which one is better, Todoroki or the dude? Which one is better, Todoroki or the dude that punches things? The dude that punches the ground. Oh yeah, true. I have Todoroki. Mm. Well, my sidekick is Todoroki. Where you at, sir? I am a little. Yeah, I'm like literally the highest level here. Oh my freaking god! Didn't we just do this? Okay. Oh look, you just see my Todoroki? Yeah. What? Big Chungus. He has big Chungus. Right. gonna wait. I'm gonna move. Oh my god. I don't. Right, and oh wait, okay. You play 2K, right? What console? What console? Wait, what? You said hated it. Hated it. What? Wait, bro, how did you hate 2K though? Well, are you gonna get 2K? Are you gonna get 2K20? Why? Live? Live? Right, wait, bro, what is going on in your head that you literally are gonna say, I'm going to trade to live from 2K? No, they did not. Look, literally, NBA Live, no, look, NBA Live 19 is the exact same as NBA Live 18. Because I had both. Because I have EA access, and so, you know, I have basically all EA games. Right. I'm a 98 overall, which is max, because it's no 99. I'm a 98 overall in NBA Live 18, and I didn't even bother playing NBA Live 19, because it's literally the exact same, and I didn't really feel like restarting my drive. Huh? No, not really. I mean, all they upgraded was the graphics, and that's it. They didn't really do anything else. Bruh, 2K is like better than NBA Live. Plus, NBA Live, yeah, okay, a rapper sponsored a basketball game. Bruh, yeah, and we have park. You're talking about you have live run so you can play street ball. Literally, we have okay. Look, we have my team. We have my team, which is actually really fun. There's a bunch of game modes in my team. Unlike in NBA Live, their my team game mode, it really doesn't have like a bunch of game modes inside of it. It's really not as fun. It's kind of like NBA Live mobile. And then and then in our we have my GM, my team. Wait, I already said my. We have my park, my career is actually way funner than NBA Live. It's way more game modes. Okay, we're going alright. Shoot. Where are we starting? What are they running for? God. Oh, I wasn't even paying attention. I didn't even go when you said go. I wasn't really paying attention. I gotta look off this. What is this? I gotta pause my video. Bro, what's up? YouTube, we're gonna have to